Looking for an easy way to get in more greens into your diet? Stay tuned. Hi there, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where every week we get together in the kitchen and we make delicious recipes that hopefully keep you inspired. Today we're going to be making Asian collard greens. The star of our recipe today are collard greens, which are rich in vitamin A that helps support healthy eyes, bones, skin, and teeth. So how we're going to prepare them is we're going to cut out this middle hard stem, and all that's going to do is make them easier to eat. So just taking your knife, just cut right along the stem. Once all your stems have been removed, an easy and fun way to cut up these leaves are to stack them just like I have right on top of one another, and then you're going to roll them up. Once you have them all rolled up, you're going to take your sharp knife and then thinly slice them. Once you have that all sliced up, you'll notice they're really long strands, and we just want to make it easier to eat, right? So what we're going to do is just turn it the other way and then chop it a couple more times all the way through. And this again is just going to make bite-sized pieces, making it easier for everyone to eat. Next, in a large skillet over medium-high heat, you want to add 2 tablespoons of either olive oil or avocado oil. And you want to heat up your oil until it's hot but not smoking. To your hot oil, let's add in your chopped up greens. And then sprinkle with 1/8 a teaspoon of either pink Himalayan or sea salt. And if you want to add in a little bit of heat, you can add some cayenne pepper. Stir together to coat your greens evenly, and then cook for about 4 to 5 minutes or until your greens are cooked to your liking, being sure to stir occasionally. When your greens are just about done cooking, let's add in a little bit of flavor. So I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of grated ginger root. I'm just going to spread it out a little bit over all of the greens. 1 teaspoon of liquid amino acids or coconut amino acids if you want a soy-free version. 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil. This last ingredient is optional. I'm going to add in 1 scoop of our Clean Source Collagens powder that is excellent for your joints and your digestion. Stir together all of your ingredients and then cook for just a minute more. If you'd like, top with a little bit of sesame seeds. Let's give these collard greens a taste. They have a wonderful flavor. I love the ginger and the spice of the cayenne. It might be just a little bit salty for me. So if that's the case and you don't want too much sodium in your greens, then just reduce the amount of salt that you add in the beginning, or you can reduce the amount of liquid amino acids that you add. This is so delicious. I hope you give this one a try. It's super easy. Thanks so much for joining me today. Hey, be sure to join me next week for another delicious recipe. And in the meantime, take great care. Bye-bye.